What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to teach you how to buy Cardano ADA, specifically if you are not advanced verified on Binance yet. So let's get into this. It all starts off in Coinbase. So first of all, you have to buy Bitcoin to put into your account. So Coinbase is very easy. You just attach your bank account and then it becomes really easy to add funds to your account. So there's a short identification process. It takes like 2 to 3 minutes, but you have to be over 18 and you have to submit your license and then take a photo. You just go to the Coinbase website, you sign up for an account, and then it walks you all through it. So it's very simple, very easy. The only problem is the funds take 3 to 5 business days to process. So you will not have the ability to send any money to your Binance account for 3 to 5 business days. So this is not good for the price is dropped and you're just looking to go in right now. Now you have to wait 3 to 5 business days. This wouldn't be such an issue if Binance advanced verified quicker. I've been in the advanced verification process for about 2 weeks now. But with Coinbase, they don't have Cardano ADA listed, so you can't actually buy it on Coinbase. So this is the only option right now for anybody waiting for Binance advanced verification. So let's just teach you how to do this. I'm not actually gonna put any funds into my account since I already have 963. I'm just gonna kind of go through the process of how to get it. So what you have to do first is buy Bitcoin. I'm gonna block out my bank information, but it will say buy Bitcoin, pay with your bank. If you do not want to link your bank account, you can also link a credit card or a debit card as well. And then you could put however much money. Let's say if I was going to put $500, I would preview buy, and then boom, buy now. And then that would put Bitcoin onto my account. And then I would have to let it sit here for 3 to 5 business days until I can send it to my Binance wallet. So how do we go sending it? So let's just pretend that my $953.24 is available to send. It's currently not, but let's just pretend it is. I would go send and receive, send all, so it would be 953.24. Okay, so now we have our money to send from Coinbase to Binance, ready to go. Now we just have to enter the address for the wallet. So we're gonna go to wallet, deposit, Bitcoin. There will be a drop-down menu. Sometimes it's on USD dollars, so you just have to find Bitcoin. I bought Bitcoin not too long ago, so it was already an option. This is going to be blacked out for you guys, but there's a Bitcoin address here. You just copy it and then you paste it, and then optional message, you don't have to put a message, and then you would hit continue, and then this would start the transfer. The transfer can take up to an hour. I've had it as short as like 10 minutes, but I've had it as long as like an hour and even an hour and a half. So don't worry, your Bitcoin doesn't disappear as long as you put in the address right. Let's just pretend you hit continue and then we are done with Coinbase, and then you would go back to your Binance.us. You go to balance. Your Bitcoin balance would pop up in here as Bitcoin. Currently I have $68, but this is all Cardano. But let's pretend that your Bitcoin has transferred into your account. So what you would do is you would go trade markets, Bitcoin markets, not USD markets, Bitcoin markets, ADA Bitcoin. And then you would put your amount of Bitcoin that you would want to sell. Do you want to sell 25%, 50, 75, 100? So you would put a certain amount. I don't have anything right now, so I cannot make a buy, but pretending I did, I would hit buy ADA, and then that will go through, and then in a few minutes it would show up in your wallet as Cardano ADA like it is right here. And from here, you can send this to your Daedalus wallet for staking. This is not the ideal solution, but this is just a workaround for people who can't get through advanced verification yet. Thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe for more content, and hopefully I can get that to you. And see you later.